What's up guys, Laz here, and today I want to share with you 5 books that changed my life. At the end of this video, we do have a very special giveaway, so make sure you stay till the end. You won't want to miss out on this one. And without any further ado, let's get started. Now, I don't read a book a day or anything like that. I'm actually a really slow reader, to tell you the truth. But these books, they have made a huge impact in my life, from going to becoming a mechanical engineer in college to transitioning to e-commerce, business, and digital marketing, all that stuff. It's made a huge impact in my life. Book number 1 is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Now, this is one of the best books when it comes to handling people, relationships. I honestly do believe that this book has helped me become a better leader, really helped me in my personal skills, talking to people, putting my point across, all that good stuff. If there's any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. So much about being a good leader depends on you being able to see things from another person's perspective. Plus, it gives you actionable steps that you can implement right away so that you can become a better leader yourself. Now we're going to book number 2, The 4-Hour Work Week. Now we're going to book number 2, The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. Now, this is probably my all-time favorite book, and I say that single-handedly, it changed my entire perspective when it came to success and life. Before reading this book, I literally thought that my life's goal was, to go to school, get a degree, become a mechanical engineer, go work for some big corporation, basically enter the rat race. And the beauty of this book was that it exposed me to, lifestyle design, being, able to explore all the possibilities out there. It really did open my eyes. $1 million in the bank isn't the fantasy. The fantasy is the lifestyle of complete freedom it supposedly allows. Hola, Mike, ¿cómo estás? No. So this book is really perfect for you if you're sure that there's more to life than just living to work. And the best part is that it goes into the exact detail of how you can implement it and do that yourself. Book number 3, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a by Mark Manson. We gotta edit that. Go or like the yeah. So I absolutely love this one. I'm a big fan of Stoic philosophy, and this one honestly just knocks it out of the park. One of my favorite books. So this book really takes a no bullshit approach to living life that might not always be happy, but at the end of the day, it's meaningful and centered around what's most important to you. And that's what makes this book so powerful. You and everyone you know are going to be dead soon, and in the short amount of time between here and there, you have a limited amount of fucks to give. Very few, in fact. And if you go around giving a fuck about everything and everyone without conscious thought or choice, well, then you're going to get fucked. Another key point is that, that I really enjoyed from this book is, stresses that always put your values in things that you can't control. If it's something you can't control and you hold it as a value, then you're gonna be, feeling down, feeling depressed a lot of the time, which is something that, honestly, why would you want to feel that way? The trick is that by not giving a fuck about most things, you'll be able to give a fuck about the things that really mean something to you. So book number 4 is The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton. Now this one is completely different from the others on the list. It's a fictional story. It's a classic. And I was actually forced to read this book while I was in middle school, and it became one of my favorites. It's just a really entertaining, an easy read, and it really captivates you throughout the entire book. Stay gold, pony boy. Stay gold. The 5th and final book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. So this is one of the most popular personal finance books. It sold over 32 million copies. And in this book, Robert talks about his rich dad and his poor dad. His poor dad is his actual father, and his rich dad is his best friend's father that, has wealth and has amounted to all these things. And he just breaks down this entire thing, how he goes about his investments, his finances. So this book really made me aware how the rich make money, and it just really helps you develop the mindset and the financial knowledge that you need to build a life of wealth and freedom. Personally, I think it's a really good book, and if you want to raise your financial IQ, I think this is one of the easiest first places to start. Winners are not afraid of losing, but losers are. Failure is part of the process of success. People who avoid failure also avoid success. So before we end the video, I actually want to do something a little bit special for you guys. So guys, if you guys want to read one of these books, we're actually doing a little bit of a giveaway. So if you go down in the comment section below and comment the book that you want to read the most, I'll be picking one person for each book, and we'll be sending you the copy, one of these right here, for you guys to read. So I'll definitely be doing more of these videos. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know. Anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe. Follow me at Laz Chavez for some more awesome content. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you guys check out the Ecom Profit podcast. It drops every Monday on this channel and on all major podcast platforms. So that's it for this one. 5 books that changed my life, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, again, comment below. Let me know what you guys thought, and I'll go on ahead checking out. See you guys on the next one.